Thousands of local jobs right at your fingertips at KELOLAND Employment. Search, research area employers, even create job email alerts. Your job search just got easier with KELOLAND Employment at KELOLAND.com.
Today we have the details about how a group in Rapid City is reaching out to Native youth during the pandemic.
And we hear from one doctor who tells us why it's important to social distance even if you don't have any symptoms. Good morning, this is KELOLAND on the go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day.
Statewide, South Dakota has nearly 1,000 cases of COVID-19. Here's a look at the latest numbers.
There have been 823 cases in the Sioux Falls area. Mayor Paul Tenhaken once again asked the governor for a stay-at-home order. Governor Noem responded saying she doesn't think it's appropriate at this time.
Tenhaken also asked for an isolation center. Noem said the city doesn't need one because the state is already isolating people in hotels. The Sioux Falls City Council is set to vote on a stay-at-home order tonight. Today will be the first reading. If it passes that, it moves on to a second reading next Tuesday. And if it passes that, it would get the mayor's signature and go into effect a week from Friday.
Under the ordinance, people would have to stay at home unless they are going to work at what's deemed a critical infrastructure sector job or they are doing essential activities. You can read the full ordinance in this story at KELOLAND.com. It was a busy day at Smithfield Foods in Sioux Falls as workers prepare to close the facility. Crews were moving the last of the processed product before the plant shuts down. Smithfield
announced over the weekend that it would close until further notice. This comes as more employees test positive for COVID-19, bringing the total to 438 as of Tuesday morning. The week kicked off to a wintry start.
But just how long will it last? Let's find out with meteorologist Brian Carstens. Good morning, Brian.
All right, good morning, guys. Yes, indeed, another start to some snow out there in a couple of spots. And we do expect more of that in the Black Hills today. Let's have a look at our latest on Futurecast, and you'll see these areas of snow in the Black Hills drifting in. And basically right now for the Sioux Falls area, looks like a blend of sun and clouds as we've had some fog issues around Mitchell. More snow will congregate in Nebraska tonight. That's mainly a story there for the Cornhusker State, but just a little bit of that could scrape right along the South Dakota border. We are mindful of that. We'll keep an eye on it, but I do expect a lot of it will go south. And then hopefully tomorrow we'll build in more 40s and warming up from there. It looks like an excellent start to the weekend forecast, and we'll have those details coming up here in just a couple minutes.
Thanks, Brian. On Tuesdays and Thursdays now, you can pick up food at the W.H. Lyon Fairgrounds from noon until 8 o'clock at night.
The food is from Feeding South Dakota, and the overall project is from them along with other organizations.
We're asking our guests to stay in their cars, if they're able to open up their trunks or their car doors, and our volunteers will put the food right in the cars. That way we're contactless and we don't have to worry about interactions.
Anyone is able to pick up food. However, they do ask that you sign up in advance. We've provided a link under this story at KELOLAND.com. Many businesses are going remote, including the Compass Center, which helps victims of abuse.
Counselors are providing their services at home through video calls.
It's so important for survivors to know that there are services still out there, and those services might look different and they might be in a different means than we're used to, but we're still here. We're still providing services. We're still here to support.
To learn what services the Compass Center provides and how to get in contact with them, head to this KELOLAND.com original. Rural America Initiatives in Rapid City is supporting the Native American community by delivering food and schoolwork.
The kids receive enough food for a week. Teachers and other employees pack lunches each Monday, then deliver on Tuesday mornings.
They miss their teachers. We have our teachers do the delivery so they can see those familiar faces, the bus drivers, they know them all.
The program started about 4 weeks ago. RAI delivers to around 200 families in the area.
As COVID-19 cases multiply, it seems like the pandemic gets more complicated.
But to fight it, a doctor says we need to remember the basics. More of us are isolating and social distancing to slow the spread. Dr. David Basil says stay home if you're sick, wash your hands, wear a mask in public, and give people at least 6 feet of space.
A certain number of people are asymptomatic. They don't have a fever or a cough or anything. They may not know that they're ill yet. They're just starting to come down with it, but they are still infectious. And so staying that 6 feet away is staying away from how far that virus can travel, even when they don't know they have it.
You can find a list of these safety guidelines on our special coronavirus page. Brian?
All right, weather as we turn to the forecast. It's definitely a cold start to the outlook, but there's a lot of good news coming our direction. We're just seeing the end of this here. The next couple of days, I know it's still quite a bit below normal, but there's a substantial change in the jet stream. And what we're going to see this weekend is, first of all, a return to near or even maybe above normal temps by Saturday. Sunday could be just a little setback, but then this takes over. A mild Pacific air mass coming across the Rockies, and next week, this is going to flood your 7-day forecast with lots of good news. And with that said, let's jump into the numbers. Today, we begin with still some lingering snow chances in Rapid City, maybe a little rain, high 41 there. 40 in Sioux Falls. Forecast for tonight, we're going to drop back down in the low 20s. And then tomorrow, we're rebounding into the 40s, pretty likely. There will be some of those pockets of snow right up to the Nebraska border, perhaps, but I don't expect that to be a major deal. 50 Friday, 62 Saturday, and next week in the 60s. Aberdeen will follow the same trend line with 61 already by Saturday. Do note there's some wind on Saturday. That's maybe a little trade-off, but it's still warmer. Pierre, how about the end of the 7-day? 72 by Tuesday, and Rapid City will be well into the 60s by Monday and Tuesday. Enjoy, guys.
All right, thanks, Brian, and thanks for joining us for KELOLAND on the Go. Be sure to join us on air from midday in KELOLAND.
Until then, you can get up to the minute developments right here on KELOLAND.com. Now go have a great day.